Great opportunity in desirable Winter Hill. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home offers over 1,800 square feet of living space with solid bones and exceptional value. Features include a fenced yard, split floor plan, and 2-car garage. Larger than many newer homes, the oversized primary bedroom opens directly to the enclosed Florida room and overlooks the pool. Perfect for indoor-outdoor living. Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, yet just minutes to SR 408, Windermere, and Orlando's world-class attractions. Much of the heavy lifting has already been completed with a new architectural shingle roof, 2025, new 50 gallons water heater, 2025, and new pool pumps, 2025. Offered as is to reflect these big-ticket improvements, the home is clean and ready for your vision, an ideal canvas to refresh with your own style, colors, and finishes in a prime, private location.